In this video, I will show you how to delete your Google Ads account. To do this, just go and open up Google Ads, and then what you want to do is go to Admin in the left, and there at the top click Account Settings. Now from within Account Settings, you want to click on Account Status, and currently it should say Active. Now in order to cancel and delete your account, you want to go and click on Cancel My Account, and then click Cancel Account. And now it has been cancelled, and that means that your ads will stop running and you will receive a final bill within 60 days. Now right now the Google Ads account still exists, but basically it's just inactive, so it doesn't do anything anymore. Only when you reactivate it you will be able to start using it again. But if you want it to be fully deleted so that you cannot even log in, then what you will need to do is delete your entire Google account, which can be done by going to Manage Your Google Account. And then from there going to Data and Privacy, then from there scroll down, and then there you can click Delete Your Google Account, which will also delete your entire account and data, including your Google Ads account. So that's how you can delete your Google Ads account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.